In this how-to video, I'm going to show you how to change the personalization settings in Dynamics 365. As you can see, this contact's birthday is currently showing in the US date format, and I would like it to be in the UK date format. To make this change, we need to click on the cogwheel on the top right-hand corner of the screen. And then you need to click on Personalization Settings. You can see a Formats tab. You can then, in the drop down, to change from English United States to English United Kingdom. If you click OK, and then I refresh the screen, you should now see their birthday is in the UK date format.